In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create a clickable hyperlink in a PDF for free. Let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to the Spin website. Once you're on the site, click on the option Free Online and then select Upload PDF to PDFscape. Choose the PDF file you want to edit by clicking Choose File, select it and click Open. Now at the left hand side, you're gonna find the font option. Set it to Insert. Under that, you will find the option of Link. Click on that. Now go ahead and select the area where you want to insert this link. Select the option URL. Paste the copied link over here. Now click on OK. If you want to add more links, repeat the process. Once you are done, click on this download icon. Now you can open your PDF. Now when you click on the hyperlink, it will take you to the destination of the link. That's it. You have now created a clickable hyperlink in your PDF. At the end, if this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.